Hello everyone and welcome back. I wanted to do the follow-up video on the AC200L by Bluetti giveaway that I did on the channel, and I purposely waited to do the video saying somebody won. And the reason I did it that way was because with all the spammers and scammers and everything that came in on that video, because there was, I don't know, over 30,000 views, maybe it was 35,000 views, I'm not sure, over 2,500 comments that qualified for the giveaway. And it was surprising to me, like people would come in and say, hey, you won, contact me, or however they said that. And then luckily I've got a lot of subscribers that some of them emailed me, some of them messaged me, some of them texted me saying, hey, you've got another spammer on your channel. And then I would have to go over there because I can't sit there and watch the comments constantly. You know, I got things to do. So then I would have to go in there and delete them all out and report them because they'll block me. So I can't comment on their comments. So it gets kind of complicated. So I thought, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until somebody wins, which they did, and then I contacted them on the channel, which I was worried about because I just commented back on their comment. And then I waited a couple days and they got back to me and it was like, oh good. And then what I did was we did a video call so that I had them write down their information, where they lived. I could match the person in the video with the picture on the profile. And then I wrote it down, and then I also had them text it to me. So I, you know, all the way around, that's the only thing I knew how to do. Anyway, I waited until the unit arrived at their house, and the person that won its name is Robin, and he just received it a couple of days ago and had it charging, and now he sent me a picture of him with it today. So that was the winner, and I was really excited that he was real happy to get it, so I was really happy about that too. And I have to say that this Bluetti, the AC200L, it is a good unit. I mean, it's like 62 pounds, so it's getting to that point where you can still move it around and do stuff with it before you get into the big 300 series, which are very heavy. So I really like this unit. In fact, I'm going to throw this in. We're going on to an ice fishing thing coming up in less than 2 weeks. And I'm going to throw this in because it runs just about anything and it runs it real well. So if you guys didn't watch the video on that where I ran the tent and then brought it home and ran the fish house camper, go back on the channel and watch it because it simply is really a good unit. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm glad that that's done, and now Bluetti has another thing coming up. I think it's at the end of this month or maybe it's next month. They have a different type of system that they're going to send. They showed it to me. I really hope I get it because it has something that we can really use. It's not on the market yet, so I don't think I can even say what it is. But I'm excited about that, and I'll definitely do a review video on it. We were really hoping we would get it before the fish house thing happens coming up here. And I got back to them like 3 or 4 days later. Things were just too busy. And by then it was like, we're going to have to wait until the next time or whatever. So anyway, I'm looking forward to that, and I appreciate you guys watching and kind of getting used to things with me doing some of these reviews. I do enjoy doing them as long as it's something that I can use. And so far, every one that I've done is definitely a product that I could use. And now I'm going to go in for the night. Right today, most of the whole day, it's been like 30 below to 40 below wind chill out there. It's the first real cold weather we've had this winter. I will see you guys on the next video.